Get a few square bales, guys. We'll keep you posted, updated on the squares. There they go. Well, guys, it is like they say, the crap never ends. The good old John Deere baler chains. I don't have a breaker, but I did get my new Milwaukee replaced. Thank God for that. You got to put enough pressure to get it flat. And there it goes. Just like butter. They are oiled and they are pressure washed. All right, guys, keep you posted. It's just getting better and better for me here, guys. I don't zigzag. My windrows are spread maybe 4 inches too wide, but that's okay. It's just the top tips of my grass. So there goes a little marker right there, starting to tie off. You see it moving, and it'll stop right about there, and then it'll kick off the last and there it is. Lets me know that it's done. The wheel stopped, so it's done. Beautiful day. Those vapors back there, that's the sugar cane mill where they process sugar cane. We're baling hay. This hay I cut before this Artic Blast came in, a few days before, so I retain all its nutritional value. It didn't freeze real bad out here. Everything's good. The thin grass, the Bermudas around here, they got hit. The guys that didn't cut their Bermudas, the top ends did frost, so there's a little bit of damage. Check the color out, guys. I mean, this is gorgeous hay. The bales were 13, 12, 11% humidity. They're solid bales, man. I mean, I'm really pleased with this hay. Tifton has been really good to me here, down here in the lower Rio Grande Valley, Texas. It's really a low maintenance grass. You just fertilize it and irrigate it every once in a while, throw in some potash, and it's going to produce for you every time, guys. And it produces a good quality hay. It's you got to do your research on this grass, guys, for you horse people. One of the best grasses that you can feed your animals. It's got more dry matter, more digestibility than in pretty much any other grass. Your protein content is real high, really good. I tested this grass, green grass, before, maybe 30 days ago. And the green grass was reading 85 is probably the lowest sugar content also of the Bermuda grasses that Dr. Glenn produced. So, I mean, it's been really good. I still need that pan over there, guys. So, this is some good high quality grass for you horse people that want to learn more. There's less compaction, more digestibility, higher energy in this grass, lower sugars. You know, I mean, you got to cut it right. You can let this grass, it'll get stemmy as heck. I never let it get stemmy. I keep an eye on my grass. Well, there you go, guys. Beautiful. I'm not gonna bale that or this till tomorrow. Humidity started getting up a little high. I don't like that. Man, look at the color of this grass, guys. It's just gorgeous. You know, I don't know if I had already stated it. A friend of mine says, well, why do you fertilize so much and this and that? Well, now you know why. You get a higher production, higher quality grass, and it's something that you can be proud to give your customers and know that their horses or cattle are going to get something that's going to produce something to gain weight for their animals. It's just not a filler grass. It's not trash grass. There's a lot of trash grass down here in the Rio Grande Valley, guys. You know, unfortunately, people are cutting grass out in abandoned fields and stuff like that down here in the Rio Grande Valley. But hey, it is what it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all of y'all. Y'all have a blessed weekend as it comes up, and keep safe out there. All right.